Welcome to Multidimensional Arrays. Store complex data structures efficiently. Here's what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using separate arrays for rows and columns makes data relationships messy. How do we store data in tables or grids? Separate arrays lose row-column relat. Hard to represent grids or matrices. Complex to manage related data sets. Multidimensional arrays organize data in rows and columns like a grid. How is multidimensional arrays used in the real world? Game boards, chess, tic-tac-toe grids, image processing, pixel matrices for filters, data tables, spreadsheet-like structures. Multidimensional arrays powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without multidimensional arrays? Managing separate arrays for grid data like game boards, look at how messy the code gets. No unified data structure, hard to access coordinates, cannot iterate cleanly. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution: multidimensional arrays. Look how clean the code is now. Store grid-like data. Nested loops for access. Clean table structure. Compare the difference. And that is why we use multidimensional arrays. Let's see how to implement multidimensional arrays in code. Here is the implementation. Declare 2D array. Create 2 rows, 3 columns. Assign first element. Set row 0, column 0 to 1. Assign second element. Set row 0, column 1 to 2. Assign third element. Set row 1, column 2 to 6. Access element. Print value at row 1, column 2. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. How do you declare a 2D integer array? Which one is correct? The correct answer is correct syntax. Type name equals new type rows. What is the length of arranged by? Which one is correct? The correct answer is arranged by is a row array with 5 columns. What does arranged by 2, 1 access? Which one is correct? The correct answer is indices are 0-based, row 2, column 1. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is grid 01 accesses first row, second column. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.